All right, you guys, ornament number 14 out of 24 ornaments. This one is an adorable one because it's a little elf. So if you like more of the whimsical ornaments, definitely check this tutorial out. All right, let's jump into that tutorial, and as always, check out those links down below because there are a whole bunch of shopping coupon code links down there, as well as the link to the playlist for all those other ornaments you may have missed. Let's do this.
Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy, hoping for better days to come. Memories of flickering shadows, cold nights, hearing the wind blows the snowflakes, reminds me of something gone. Send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Christmas, a time to be cheerful and joyful, but baby, you left me alone. So send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. So show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. My only wish this year is for you to be show me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Oh, oh, I'll be waiting on miracles tonight. 'Cause don't you know it's Christmas?
So what do you think? Are you gonna make an adorable little elf for your Christmas tree? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you tomorrow for another ornament tutorial. Bye for now.